Welcome guys, today I am with this Audio Technica headset and I'm gonna show you how you can pair it with your Windows laptop. So we'll first focus on this side with the buttons and the micro USB port. Just move this slider to the on to turn them on. After that, this Bluetooth button will start blinking and it means that we are successfully in the pairing mode. So put them back close to your laptop and follow this few steps. Open the settings on your laptop. Then you have to go for the Bluetooth and devices. Select Bluetooth switcher and just activate it. Next, go for the add the device. Select Bluetooth. Right now, just take a look for this list of available devices. We have to wait until our headset will pop right here. As you can see on my private smartphone, they are already visible, so we have to wait until they pops also right here. But if it takes too much time, we will power off and power on Bluetooth back. Okay, and as you can see at the bottom, we can finally find our headset. Oh, I just misclick. It's right here. So click once with the left mouse button. Right now we are successfully connected. And next, I can recommend you to go for the system and sound settings and find right here if the sound is changed to the headset, and also the same with the microphone. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.